Mia by Danish do Hornbill Festival 2025 laga official style partner ase aro itober aji Mia by Danish business head Sharmala Ramanandra kota korise. Product aro marketing head Ajay Maurya rechonai shagi itu sal Mia by Danish laga music brand ambassador do Nagaland laga janamana guitarist Imnainla Jamirse. Sharmala Ramanandra at the Vibrant Stage Day Fashion, Culture, Craft aro Music Experience Gribole Karne Ahiboli Pinti Kursha. Details I saw.
So I'm really happy to be here at the Hornbill Music Festival. It's the 26th year, and so for 25 years I've been following it, and we're finally here, and it gives me great joy that we're able to do a tie-up with Mia by Tanishq. Mia by Tanishq is Tanishq's sub-brand, which talks to the young generation. We talk to the Gen Z with our jewelry. So our jewelry is very young, lightweight, affordable, contemporary. We are all about fine gold and diamonds. But we are a brand which is talking to the young individual who wants to express herself. Because, you know, women have long bought jewelry which stays in the cupboard, which is investment, but they seldom get to wear it. So we said we will make a jewelry brand which the young women can wear, can sport, because it reflects who they are. And any women here who don't like adorning themselves, I don't see any hands. So every woman loves to adorn herself, and that's how the brand came about. So when an opportunity came to actually do a tie-up with the Hornbill Music Festival, it just seemed the right thing for us to do, because as a brand we are about curating culture that is relevant, that is really appreciated and understood by the Generation Z, because they are the ones who need to hold our culture, right? They are the ones who need to take forward, and they must take forward what is relevant for them and what is easy for them to understand. And I think the Hornbill does this very well. It takes tradition and it modernizes it. It's contemporary, so it moves. You know, tradition and heritage which moves with time is something which is timeless, and that is what Hornbill does. And it's all about music, and there is no better language than music to unify people, to bring people from all over the world together. And it's just a platform for the youngsters, and we believe as a brand which talks to this generation, it's just a fantastic tie-up that we have with them. So we are here as a style partners. This is our first year, and I'm very confident that this is not going to be the last. We're going to have many, many more years together. And we have, who's the brand ambassador that we have?
Aneet Patel.
No, the brand ambassador here.
Imnainla Jamir.
Imnainla Jamir. Yes.
The lead vocalist, very famous lead guitarist in the entire Northeast. So we are very happy to have her on board for this festival, where she is the music brand ambassador for Mia by Tanishq, and we are looking forward to her performances in this festival.
So yes, this is a brand about pink. Pink stands for power, and pink stands for women who feel powerful about themselves. And yes, that's what we're all about, and happy to be here again. Oh, and on this occasion, we've also done something interesting, which we will unveil in the next 2 days on 3rd. We're actually unveiling a series of pendants which have been made to mark this occasion. So it's a Mia into Hornbill. So it is taking the cultural elements of the Naga people and actually making them into pendants which can be worn both by men and women. It's unisex. In silver, it takes the Hornbill as it is, and it is marked Hornbill 2025, because as I said, this is the first year. So every year we will probably release a series of such collection as a collectible for people who love the Hornbill. For us, the jewelry by itself, we start at roughly 3,000 rupees with our nose pins. So a pair of diamond earrings would be roughly 5,500 rupees. And we go up to mostly 50,000. So we have some with spillover, but we're a very affordable brand. So we are a woman's first diamond actually. So, you know, you want a diamond, you think of Mia. Come to us.
Men are also fond of diamonds, so
we do. We are beginning to start a collection. So we do have what we call gender fluid jewelry. So we've always been proud of the fact that we have a series of products which can be worn both by men and women. But as far as men's is concerned, we have launched a silver range actually, which has got bracelets and chain. We also have a couple bands which we use, which is again for men and women with gold. That's what we have at the moment. Men's is something we are figuring to get into. Probably the next year will be when Mia starts adorning young men with our jewelry.
What about opening a branch in Kohima?
Yes, in fact, Kohima is a place we were looking at, so which is why my team is here. We said we will make this opportunity and we will come here and see. But we do have a Tanishq in Dimapur, which also does keep Mia by Tanishq jewelry inside the store. So we already have a presence in Nagaland with Dimapur with Tanishq, but we are looking at a standalone store because I think Northeast India are the style icons of all of India. I think every woman, especially the women here, I can't just stop looking at how gorgeous they dress themselves. And I think Mia is a perfect fitment for the women of Northeast to begin with. And of course, we will have set for the handsome young men as well. So, we are the original lightweight jewelry. So Mia is roughly 14 years old. So when we started our life in 2011, we were here to make jewelry for the working women. Because typically jewelry in India is very big. It is something that you buy, but you don't have occasion to wear. So when you wear a Western wear, what do you wear? You don't wear those thick jewelry and walk around. When you go to office, what do you wear? So that is how, when we were thinking, how do we make jewelry for the young women? That's how Mia came about. So we started about 14 years back. So we are the originals. When there are the originals, the others are ones who are inspired by us. So one is that. Two, we keep up with the trends. We are all about bringing in global trends to India and making it relevant. We make jewelry which can be sported with traditional wear as well as modern wear. We make jewelry which is easily affordable, which you can change every day, because in the kind of money that you buy one big jewelry, you can actually buy quite a few pieces of Mia, and therefore it is something which you can change frequently, and it depends on your style and mood. So that's how we're different from them. And we're, as I said, our price point typically is from 5,000 to 50,000. All the values of Tanishq are there. So for example, all the exchange policies, the return policies, every policy is governed by Tanishq. So we are definitely a better deal out here. So, yeah.
Do you have a store here in Kisama for this 100%?
For this, we don't have a store, but we have a stall where we have some products which we have. It's like a little booth which showcases a bit of what we have in the offer. But I don't think it's up for sale here, right? Here it is largely for people to discover us. Because here I think the mood is quite different. It's not really to buy. So it is just to explore and understand. And it is to introduce our brand more than anything. Here we are not to push sale. It is more for you to understand and discover. And if you want, we have an app. You just need to download it and you place an order and we'll ensure we have it delivered here.
I would suggest everyone to visit our Mia by Tanishq store. We have definitely put up a charm up bar where all women definitely can go and dress themselves well in terms of how they put the charms on the face and how beautifully they can be dressed. Second is also we have put up a happy-go-lucky kind of a counter where if you are lucky, you may end up getting a silver pendant from us. That is also something which is there for all of us to discover. And of course, it's a very good photo op booth for all of us to get ourselves click there, the pictures, and circulate Mia by Tanishq among our citizens.
Where is the booth?
Just down the lane.
Do have a look. It's beautifully integrated. So, so as a brand color, pink is our brand color. So we've taken the aesthetics of the heart and the pink, and we've matched it with exactly what the local architecture of the place is. So do have a look at the booth. We're very proud of the way we've amalgamated the two together.
Boss, boss, क्या बात है? Boss, क्या ठाट है? Boss, दमदार है? Boss, शानदार